Good morning, Joe. Really good job on these bags again. I did want to point out on the style that has the D-rings. What I had to do is I need to have the opening for the fiberglass to be a full 48 inches. When you had it sewn with this seam, this side seam, sewn all the way to the top, what happened was when you had it sewn all the way to the top, it really narrowed that opening to less than 48 inches. So what I did was I ripped that seam so that we could stuff the bag, which worked fine. Now it over-ripped a little bit because of course your back stitching was compromised. So what I want you to do is leave me 48 inches of open space. That means that stop sewing at least 1 inch, about the distance of the Velcro from the end. That gives me an opening, a nice 48 inch opening that I have to stuff this fiberglass in there. Otherwise I'm going to have to rip back. So again, I had a pin in there. You see on this side, I have a pin in there because I over-ripped it. But if you just left me a nice 48 inch, 2 inch thick opening, because we're doing the seam, we're narrowing the opening, and then when this seam gets sewn all the way to the end of the fabric, that's narrowing that opening. So if you double stitch back to here and leave this top inch open, that would do it for me. And then I think we're good to go. Thanks, Joe.